We've all heard the same advice over and over again. Go to college, get a degree, and you'll be successful. But is that still true today? Does a college degree really guarantee success? Or are there other paths to becoming a millionaire in the United States? In part 2 of this 3-part series, we're tackling one of the biggest questions of our time: is college worth it? If you've been questioning whether you need a degree to build the life you want, stick around, because we're going to break it all down. For decades, the traditional path to success in the United States looked something like this: finish high school, go to college, get a good job, and eventually work your way to financial security. This was the blueprint followed by millions of people, and for a long time it worked. College degrees opened doors to higher-paying jobs, and for many, it was the surest way to climb the economic ladder. But today the landscape is changing. The cost of college has skyrocketed, leaving many graduates with overwhelming student debt and jobs that don't pay enough to justify the cost of their degree. At the same time, more and more people are building successful careers without ever stepping foot on a college campus. So the question is college still the golden ticket it used to be? Here's the truth: the answer isn't as simple as yes or no. College can still be a valuable investment, but only if you approach it strategically. If you're simply going because it's what's expected of you, or because it seems like the safe thing to do, you might end up with a lot of debt and not much to show for it. Before you make the decision to attend college, ask yourself, why am I doing this? What's my end goal, and is this the best way to get there? One of the biggest factors that make people question the value of college today is the cost. In the United States, the average student graduates with over $30,000 in debt, and for some, especially those attending private universities, that number can be much higher. So, is it worth it? That depends on a few things. First, consider your potential return on investment, ROI. Not all degrees are created equal. For example, degrees in fields like computer science, engineering, and healthcare often lead to high-paying jobs that make it easier to pay off student loans. But if you're pursuing a degree in a field with lower earning potential, like the arts or humanities, it's crucial to weigh the cost of your education against the salary you can realistically expect after graduation. There's also the issue of rising tuition costs versus wage growth. In the past few decades, the cost of college has increased far faster than wages in many industries. This means that even if you land a job, it might take years, sometimes decades, to pay off your loans. My advice? Be smart about your financial decisions. If you do decide to go to college, look for ways to minimize your debt. Consider attending a community college for the first 2 years to save money, apply for scholarships, or choose an in-state public university with lower tuition rates. College is an investment, and, like any investment, you need to calculate the risks and rewards before diving in. So ask yourself, will the career I'm pursuing justify the cost of my degree, or are there other, less expensive ways to achieve the same outcome? Let's talk about the millionaires who didn't go to college, or who dropped out and still built massive fortunes. Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Steve Jobs are often used as examples of why you don't need a degree to be successful. And it's true. They didn't follow the traditional path. They didn't get their degrees, and yet, they've built some of the most successful companies in the world. But here's something important to understand. These stories, while inspiring, are the exception, not the rule. Zuckerberg and Gates didn't drop out because they couldn't handle school. They dropped out because they had already found their path. They had a clear vision, and a business that required their full attention. Their success wasn't the result of not going to college, it was the result of their skills, drive, and ability to capitalize on opportunities. What does this mean for you? If you have a strong sense of direction, a clear plan, and an opportunity that doesn't require a degree, then maybe skipping college makes sense. But if you're not sure what you want to do yet, or if you're looking to develop valuable skills and connections, college can still be a great option. The key takeaway here is that there are multiple paths to success. College is one path, but it's not the only one. The real question is, what's the right path for you? So ask yourself, do I have a clear plan that can lead me to success without college? Or do I need the structure and learning environment that college provides to develop my skills? While it's easy to focus on the cost of college and whether or not it guarantees financial success, there's more to consider. College isn't just about earning a degree. It's about the experiences, connections, and opportunities it provides. First, let's talk about networking. College can be an incredible place to build connections that will help you throughout your career. Whether it's forming relationships with professors, classmates, or industry professionals, these connections can open doors to internships, jobs, and collaborations that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. College also offers a structured environment for learning and personal growth. It gives you the time and space to explore different subjects, develop critical thinking skills, and figure out what you're truly passionate about. This is especially important if you're not 100% sure of your career path yet. College gives you a safe place to test the waters and discover what you enjoy. And finally, there's the social aspect. College can be a transformative experience where you meet people from different backgrounds, engage in new ideas, and grow as a person. While this might not directly lead to financial success, it can enrich your life in ways that go beyond your paycheck. So, when you're weighing the decision to attend college, don't just focus on the degree, think about the full experience. Is it something that will help you grow, both personally and professionally? If so, the investment might be worth it. Ask yourself, what value do I see beyond the degree itself? How can college help me grow my network, build new skills, and discover my passion? Now let's talk about the other options. College is just one path, but in today's world, there are more alternatives than ever before. If you're not sure if college is right for you, consider these other routes to success. Self-education. The rise of the internet has completely transformed how we learn. Today, you can access high-quality education from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy, often for a fraction of the cost of traditional college. If you're self-motivated and disciplined, self-education can be a powerful tool for building skills in areas like coding, digital marketing, or graphic design. Many successful entrepreneurs and professionals have built their careers through online courses, books, and hands-on experience, trade schools and vocational training. For those interested in hands-on careers, trade schools can be an excellent alternative to a four-year degree. Electricians, plumbers, and mechanics are all examples of highly skilled, well-paying careers that don't require a traditional college education. Trade schools offer focused, practical training that can get you into the workforce quickly and with less debt. Entrepreneurship. If entrepreneurship is something you're considering, start small. You don't need to launch a multi-million-dollar company right away. It can be a side project or something you work on in your spare time. Many successful businesses started as side hustles. The beauty of entrepreneurship is that it allows you to learn through experience. You'll pick up essential skills like budgeting, sales, marketing, and management, skills that are valuable in any career. However, entrepreneurship isn't for everyone. It comes with a lot of uncertainty and risk, and not everyone has the appetite for that. But if you're willing to embrace the challenges, it can be one of the most rewarding paths to success. So, ask yourself, what alternative paths excite you? Could self-education, trade school, or entrepreneurship be a better fit for your goals than a traditional college degree? With so many options available, how do you know which one is right for you? The answer lies in self-awareness and careful planning. Here are a few steps you can take to make an informed decision. Clarify your goals. Start by defining what success means to you. Is it financial independence? Is it creative freedom? Is it making an impact in a specific industry? The clearer you are about your goals, the easier it will be to choose a path that aligns with them. Research your options. Take the time to thoroughly research all of your options. Look at the costs and benefits of attending college, pursuing trade school, or diving into entrepreneurship. Understand the job market for your chosen field, and evaluate how each path will help you reach your goals. Talk to people in the field. One of the best ways to gain insight into a career path is by talking to people who are already working in it. Reach out to professionals through LinkedIn or attend industry events. Ask them about their experiences. Did they go to college? What advice would they give someone starting out? Their answers might surprise you and provide valuable clarity. Test the waters. If you're still unsure, try out a few things before making a commitment. Take online courses, do an internship, or start a side project. These experiences can help you get a feel for whether or not you're truly passionate about a particular field before you invest a lot of time and money into it. Remember, the decision you make today doesn't have to be permanent. Many people change careers several times throughout their lives. The important thing is to take action. Start learning, growing, and exploring your interests. Every step you take will bring you closer to the path that's right for you. Here's the bottom line. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to whether college is worth it. For some people, it's the right choice. For others, it's not. What's important is that you make an informed decision based on your goals, your financial situation, and your personal values. Remember, a college degree doesn't guarantee success, and neither does skipping college. What guarantees success is your commitment to learning, growing, and adapting. Whether you choose college, trade school, entrepreneurship, or self-education, the key to becoming a millionaire or achieving any level of success is hard work, perseverance, and a willingness to keep improving. We've covered a lot of ground today, and the truth is, there's no right answer when it comes to whether or not you should go to college. It depends on your goals, your circumstances, and what you truly want out of life. What matters most is that you take the time to evaluate all your options and make the decision that's best for you. In the next video, we're going to explore how you can build a path to financial success, whether you go to college or not, and how to leverage your skills to create wealth. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 3 of this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.